So this morning we've got some fabrics that we've had up, but we've had requests to put back up. I think the greens for spring and the Max Mara simply because it's Max Mara. So we're going to show you these, and these are what I put up after that Q&A last Thursday night. These are the fabrics we have left. This is a Max Mara. It's 100% viscose. It's a woven. It's a beautiful border print. Just stunning. Absolutely stunning. We had then this beautiful kind of red orange. This is 100% cotton, and I actually sewed with this last night. There's one reason we're putting it back up too, is because it's going to be on our webcast, but it's just lovely. It is lovely to sew with. It has stretch in both directions. It's just beautiful. The drape on it is incredible. To pair these two together would be lovely. A pair of pants, top, blouse, just really nice. Then we have this green and white gingham. This is 100% cotton. Again, really cute little jean jacket. Just so many things that would be darling. And that's a woven. That's not a stretch woven. That's just a woven. This is a stretch woven. This is a viscose. It's a beautiful green. Pairs wonderfully with the stripe and the dot. But anyway, viscose woven. Again, not much left of these fabrics, you guys. They're just really small amounts. This is a really great striping where you can see both sides because it's a true shirting. And so the weave on this is just beautiful. This is a woven. It's 100% cotton. And then last we have this is 100% silk. And it's a polka dot. And one side is usable. It's amazing. It's just a really beautiful fabric. And again, very little left. Just wanted to close those up and let you see. And for those of you who requested it, I hope you get it. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.